Hello, YouTube people. I hope you're all alright. Would you like to say hello?
I already did. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Well, it's been a strange old Saturday because we normally go out on a Saturday
Well,
and
dependent.
we haven't, but we have had a visitor today.
Yeah. Somebody we haven't seen for a long time.
We haven't seen for a long time. Yeah.
It's good to see old people.
Yeah, it is good. It's good to see old friends again. Yeah. I mean, we were expecting them both, Nick and Kendra, but apparently Kendra's in too much pain, and I know they're feeling too well. She just doesn't feel like going out. It's too much of a drag. I know they're feeling too well, and I don't sleep over it. Look, I'm going to show you this because I want to get it out of the way first. I like that light turning off, Amanda, I think.
Which one?
The one above us. Oh no, it'll be alright. This is as far as I've got with the apple blossom so far. I reckon there's another few hours on it yet. I don't work very fast. I don't like rushing paintings. And besides that, it hurts too much to rush. You know what I mean? I think Amanda's on about doing tea shortly, aren't you, love? Right, that's some exceedingly good coffee, that. Oh, I had to get the set of stunt pencils out today, Amanda, didn't I? I said I've had to break the stunt pencils out today.
Yeah.
Up! You nearly did the stunt real time there. Up! Off the side of the bloody desk. Oh dear. There we go. Up! There they are, off the side of the desk again. Hey, where's Amanda at?
I'm here.
She's eating a banana.
Yeah.
Stuffing her face with a fizzo with a banana. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, it's been, like I say, it's been a funny old day today. Oh dear. Oh. Right, it's that gentleman there. They've got a car of their own. Yeah. Okay, I'm not going to say any more because it's confidentiality really when you think about it, so I'm not going to say any more. I still haven't got any test results back. It's been over a week now, so it'll have to be it'll be sometime in the next week when I find out what the results are. And as you can guess by now, I am absolutely crapping myself. Literally crapping myself. The camera I haven't ordered yet, as such. It will be getting ordered on Thursday, isn't it, Amanda? Camera will be getting ordered on Thursday, won't it?
Yeah.
Camera will be getting ordered on Thursday. The reason being is just that we miscalculated our finances slightly. So we did a little bit and sorted. I had to wait for a week, so it'll be on Thursday this coming week that I'll actually order the camera. So hopefully by then we might just get. Well, they reckon if I pay the extra, I'll get it on 1 day delivery, so I'll get it on next day delivery. Mind you saying that next day delivery is 2 days. Look, I can't hang around on here because I haven't set the timer up and I don't know what time it's going to go off. Like I say, I've done it.
We got the dog something, didn't we?
What?
We got the dog something.
Oh yes, yes. Amanda might show you that.
No, I'm not going to show you.
No, I got the well, right. Going back a bit, I bought a hound table because our Rexy didn't like kneeling or bending to get his food, did he?
No.
So I bought him a hound table. Well, anyway, over the years,
What it is?
a hound table is like it's like a H frame on the floor with a square stem coming up in the middle, and it has 2 circular frames on that you put the balls in.
It's height adjustable.
It's a height adjustable one, yeah. So the bigger your dog, the taller your dog. I'm tired. The taller your dog, the higher you can lift it, because it's easier for him to feed. Now, Sheba's quite a tall dog, and Horace is quite a tall dog, aren't you, Horace? And
Yes, Dad, I am.
anyway, I bought this hound table for him, and when I bought my original one, oh, I can't remember how much it was exactly. I think it was 12 quid or 14 quid or something like that. Anyway. Hello, you want to come up? Come with then. Police car.
Is it?
Yeah, it looks like it's stopping here.
Looks like it's stopping here, is it?
Well, there's a police car out there, if you want to have a look. And
We've been up to no good again.
I don't know. Anyway,
Look at
I bought a new one, and the new one costs less. Yeah, you'd expect it to cost more, but it actually cost less than what the old one did when I bought that. This one was only, what is it, 12 quid, 11 quid?
12 quid.
12 quid of that. So I got the dogs a new hound table. Like I say, I ordered the new camera this coming Thursday, we'll order it. You'll see the difference in picture quality and volume and everything else. Besides that, I think that's about it at the minute. Like I say, I've got no results back. It's causing me a great.
Causing you stress because
It is. It's causing me stress and anxiety because. Well, it's waiting for tests, isn't it? You know, waiting for test results. And when you're waiting for a cancer test, it's even worse. It's scaring the shite out of me. Now, I'm going to crack on with my painting. Hang on. Have you got dogs in there? You haven't you? I'm just going to have a look out here. Is that Tony Mansfield out there? Amanda, do us a favour, will you, on?
have you turned it off?
No, the camera's still on. I need you to do me a favour and pick a pen up off the floor. As you can see, still haven't got rid of it. Still haven't got rid of the other one. One's behind me and one's beside me. Thank you. That's a
He's
goal.
born idle, isn't he?
Here's me, get called born idle. Now I'm the one in the wheelchair. Oh, sorry if I moved you about there. But I might give Amanda this one to upload. See if she can get it uploaded quicker on her computer.
Don't think so, do you?
Oh, I do. Right. I don't know how long I've got left on here.
I'll tell you what, I'll move this
Fish tank.
fish tank just for you to get to the.
Just move the fish tank so I can get to it to upload it.
Yeah.
Oh, dear me.
Where do I move this to? The passage?
Yeah, move it up there if you want. You'll have to move Sheba out the way.
Yeah.
Right.
Come
I'm going to
on
have to
then,
start
Miss
moving stuff.
Yeah. Oh! What Sheba does is she reaches out with her paws and she goes, and it
Yeah,
hurts.
And it hurts,
Yeah,
she
it
does,
hurts,
because
yeah.
she's claws.
She uses her claws, yeah.
And when she walks, you can tell she's a true German Shepherd.
She goose steps.
She goose steps, she does.
Yeah, when she walks, you can hear her. She goes.
Yeah, she does.
Yeah. Where Horace, he slides his feet.
Ah, he slides his feet.
Yeah.
He's cool. I'm going to have some more of Amanda's exceedingly good coffee.
Just try and move this. Move this. My hands are slippery. I can't.
Why? Have you been working with that?
Yeah, the slippery.
You've been working with that airline?
The water?
You've been working with that airline?
Yeah.
Is there something on it like?
No, it's just that my hands are dry. And they have no grip.
Spit on them.
No.
Right. When I finish this painting of this apple blossom, I'm going to do another apple blossom. And then when I finish that apple blossom, I'm going to do this one.
To move it with.
And this one, if I'm right, Colin Best did this one.
Yeah?
Took this for us. So I'll paint it.
Get it up there.
I think I'll paint it and I'll send it to Colin. What do you reckon?
Yeah, if you want.
I'll paint it and I'll send it to Colin.
Seeing the tank moving across the floor.
Yeah, look at that. Did you see it?
Yeah, it's moving. Yeah. It's not on wheels, by the way, this.
No, it's not on wheels.
Yeah, it's not on wheels.
There's the doors shutting and slamming.
Just getting it over that.
Right, I'm going to call it a day shortly. Sheba's down there. Amanda's
Moving the tank.
elevating a tank.
Yeah, just get it over this thing.
You know, once over, when I was a young lad, I would have picked that up bodily and just carried it through there, wouldn't I?
Yeah.
And now look at us. Knackered. God, I feel like shit.
Say goodbye, everybody.
Well, I'm not saying goodbye everybody yet.
No.
No. I'm messing about on my wheelchair, I must admit. Amanda's going to put that out in the hallway.
Yeah. Stop there. You don't want to do that,
Yeah.
as long as nobody knocks on the door.
Yeah, well we've got two front doors, so if somebody knocks on the door you're going to have to tell them to go to the other door.
Yeah. Which can be a pain in the ass when I want to put this one.
Crashed it again.
You what?
Crashed it again.
Crashed what?
Crashed it again.
Crashed it.
Right. Exceedingly good coffee. Are you mobile yet, Amanda?
Not yet. Just trying to get this out of the way.
It's like I said, it's been a funny all day. Haven't done much. Don't feel well. In fact, I feel like fucking shit.
We'll set it up just here, left.
Where have you put it? In the passage?
Yeah, just in the passage.
Yeah, set it up there.
Just set it up there.
Tell you what, doesn't half seem hollow again in here now.
It seems what?
Hollow again in here now you've moved that.
Hollow. Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah. Right, Amanda, I'm going to call it a day. Would you like to say goodbye to our YouTubers?
Goodbye.
Goodbye, YouTubers. Take it easy. Have a good weekend. Don't do out I wouldn't do. Maybe that doesn't leave a lot. And me biker chums out there, take it easy. You might be fine this weekend, but lay off the throttle a bit, will you? Just take it easy and watch out for the nut behind the wheel. They'll be the ones causing the problem. They'll walk away from it, you won't. See you all later.